You're going to find, especially senior people in the architecture and engineering community, who instantly think of, I got to do a better job coordinating my documents when they hear the term integrated design.
You know, the traditional process is an architect's hired, they bring on an engineer. It's a fairly linear process, and they're working sometimes for months before they even talk to the engineer.
If you try to do a building in your traditional path without using integrated design, in effect, you're just adding things to the cost, you're adding things to the design that usually you can't afford.
It's so rare I work in that form anymore that I just got on a project where my first meeting, there was a design, all the floor plans were done, the elevations were done, and one, I was shocked. And then I was like really disappointed. I'm like, well, all the things that I would have wanted to do different either have to be redone now, or you know, we'll just move on to the next time and I'll pick a system.
It's really important to bring the engineers in as early as possible so that they're there figuring out what the steps are when you start the process, as opposed to trying to do features to the building after you've got it all figured out.
It may seem like a lot of balls in the air, and it's more visible to the client, but the balls are always in the air anyway, that maybe they're just now at the table watching us all trying to juggle them.
You know, traditionally we might be involved in schematic design. Well, now we're being involved in concepts. We're working on a project now with SRG where it's a blank sheet of paper. There isn't even a concept, and the architects are really holding back, intentionally not trying to draw, so that we know, we understand what the owner wants, we really understand the depths of the climate.
So my first question these days is, what is your energy performance goal for your project? And the general answer to that is, well, we don't have one. And so then I take it upon myself to help the team navigate that conversation to establish a goal.
As we move earlier in the process, there's more and more variables. It's not just the insulation of the walls and the windows, it's the shape of the building, it's the height of the building, it's the orientation of the building, it's all, you know, it's not 3 mechanical systems, it's 12.
It's kind of this spiraling circle that kind of gets you around. You have to always go back and reevaluate decisions and move forward, and then reevaluate decisions.